What is going on, everyone? Today we're gonna do the impossible. I don't know if it's impossible, but it's very possible. Maybe, no. We're gonna be dyeing the hair. That's right. Right now it's a light brown, black now. You know, I've been retwisting it. More black's been coming in. More of the brown has been dripping out. We gotta put some red back in. So you already know what time it is. We're about to dye it Cream of Nature, red style, you know what I'm saying? We got all the essentials here. The cream pattern. We got this right here. I can't hold stuff. We got the argan oil, you know, for videos. So, sorry, I'm off in the camera. We watched a couple videos. So, yeah, we're gonna see how this goes. Oh, I really hope I don't mess up. Oh, the gloves. I need to get my gloves. I'll be right back. We are back. I thought I was recording. We got the gloves. I don't know which light is better. Like, you know, this one right here, it's kind of mean. Yeah, this right here. First, we unplug this. We gotta put it in sections first. And then we'll do like that. That was terrible. All right. And the back, I need to get a haircut. So they said pour that into here. Hello? Oh, yep, that's going in. I don't know how much. We're supposed to do all of it? In here, we have to shake it immediately. I hope I don't freaking go bald. I'm gonna be so sad. Oh, this tip. I'm dumb. I was about to cut the whole thing off. And then you shake, 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 and then you shake, 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 and then you shake. All right. I think that's good enough. Yeah, a little more. Here goes nothing. So we just do that, and then we go like this. I should have put it into smaller strands. This smell is strong, very strong. I hope it doesn't get to my eyes. If I get it to my eyes, I'm gonna die. Oh. And we have to do the roots on the back. We need to get the back as well. Shoot. And just spread it along. The odor is kicking my bootang. One more time, just for the homies. Now we're gonna put a timer on and just see where it's gonna go. We'll be right back. Okay, it has been an unusual amount of time. Don't know how long it has been, but let's see how it is. So I kind of just made it into a brown to like, I don't even know what color this is. We're gonna put some more into it, especially like these parts right here. Hopefully this isn't a flop fail. Kind of looking at his likeness, but just a reminder. This is the red that was advertised. This is my red. Mixed with a for dark brown hair and black bear hair. So process, we're supposed to wash it. So, yeah. Maybe I'll put my eyebrows red. No, I'm kidding. We're gonna stop there. If we put too much in here, we pass out to chemical leakage or something. But we'll be back with a update of it after being wet and stuff. So yeah. Okay guys, I kind of dried up. I wouldn't mess up. Now I'm just leaking reddage everywhere. Let me get back up on the camera. We wet the hair. Hope this comes out at least nice. It's okay, it's a raggedy towel. It's a raggedy towel. You can just get a new one. Oh, I don't think we're supposed to do this. Uh-oh. Well, I think I just went bald, guys. I think I went bald. Let's just see what happens, everyone. So, quick update. Yeah. Well, team, better luck next time. I mean, honestly, let's go take a look in the mirror because it kind of just, it kind of just tinted up. It didn't really go red, but I mean, hey, it's all right. It's an all right look, you know. But yeah, we'll try again another day and get even more red. But for now, it'll be a lighter. I gotta unfortunately bleach it, but hey, it'll grow back. It's just hair. If you enjoyed the video, thanks for watching this fully. I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm out of here. Stay safe out there. And yeah, peace out. Fail? Kinda. But we tried. Goodbye. Goodbye. Forgot to say, I put the argan oil in the hair, and it's kind of a nice argan oil, you know?
She gon' flirt in front of her nigga. Fago, you getting bigger. I remember when you was a little nigga.
Fago, you getting bigger. I remember you.
Can't stand it.